Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby Kennedy here. My friends call me Bobby K. I wanted to make a short video about making money online. When you first come online to try to make money, if your experience is anything like mine was, you're going to run into a bunch of baloney, a bunch of scams, a bunch of shenanigans. There's probably a few like that on this very page. Okay, there's all types of stuff out there. You got to be careful. It's hard to find something that actually works for the everyday person. Unless you're an experienced salesman, you're good at closing, maybe you're a programmer or a web designer, then you're one of the lucky ones. It'll be a little easier for you. I was pretty lucky, I guess, when I came online. I stumbled onto something that worked pretty much immediately for me, and it's been working for me ever since. Let me take a minute to explain where I'm coming from here and why I started looking for ways to make money online. I'm from New York City. I'm going to keep this super short, guys, by the way, so don't worry. Just bear with me for a minute. We all have different stories that drive us, and this is mine in a nutshell. Basically, I was working as a construction worker, making pretty good money, but I was facing a few physical problems. I had torn rotator cuffs in both arms, and I had a slipped disc in my back that was giving me severe sciatic. If any of you guys ever had sciatic out there, you know what I'm talking about, man. That can make a grown man cry, man. You know, it was torturing me. I also had carpal in both hands. My hands are still numb to this day. I was in my 40s, and the writing was pretty much on the wall that I needed another income source. You know, my boss used to like to say that, you know, the day you stop making money for the company doesn't need you anymore. You know, and it sounds mean to say that, but if you think about it, guys, what company needs you working for them if you can't make them money? You know, he was right when he said that, and, you know, he lit a fire under me. He also used to say that I could have 20 or 30 guys on a job, and I only need one with a brain. So, I mean, you guys can see this guy was no philanthropist, you know, so I could see that the writing was on the wall, you know. So I started to look online for other ways to make money. I mean, I have a wife and 5 kids, so it was a stressful time. So here I am now looking to make money online. I'd never even pasted a link online before. All I'd ever done was read and send emails. So I was up against it, man. You know, but I ran into a little luck. Okay, one of the first programs I found online was Traffic Monsoon. Okay, I liked the way the system worked, and I was making money with it. Actually, when I first signed up for it, it kind of confused me because it redirected you to another page when you logged in and all that stuff. You know, it was all about advertising and showing pages. But I liked the way it worked once I figured it out. And I made money with it because I was able to bring a couple hundred people into it. Okay, the way I did that was simple also. I met a guy in there who showed me a free system for recruiting for Traffic Monsoon specifically. Well, to make a long story short, we all know what happened to Traffic Monsoon, but that was okay because the guy who was running the system plugged in my paying ads the next day, and I was back in the saddle again, man. I brought a few hundred people in by sharing the same system, and you know, there was a couple other programs in there as well, like little traffic programs, little income programs. I'm talking about the main program at the time was my paying ads. And eventually, we know what happened with that too. Had the same fate as Traffic Monsoon. So eventually, that system I was using, I think it went offline. I'm not sure. If any of you guys remember it, it had like a girl on the front with a video, and there was a couple of programs in there. If anyone knows what it was, put the link down below. I'd like to check it out, see if it's still around. But the whole point of the story is this, man. Even though I hardly knew what I was doing, I was able to make money because of this platform this guy had, this duplicating system. The system that I was using was actually doing the recruiting for me in reality. Then it dawned on me one day, if I could make a system like this that had a few low-cost programs in there that were trustworthy and that would last a long time, then we really have something. You know what I mean? So I went to work on it. You know, I put together a system. It's basically plug and play, okay? Now, I want to clarify a couple of things here. First of all, I didn't just go around plastering the link to the system anywhere willy-nilly, you know. I had a little plan. In Traffic Monsoon and my paying ads, I didn't put the link to the system because those people looking at it were already members of my paying ads, you know. So I made these free little banners online that says, who needs traffic monsoon referrals? Who needs my paying ads referrals? And then when they signed up to get the system to use it for traffic monsoon, they joined the other programs. And I did that in the other opportunities in there as well. And that's how the system worked great for me. It worked like a champ. And no matter what program or business you're in online, guys, they all have one thing in common. People are looking for an easier way to get referrals. Does that make sense to you guys? Of course it does, man. But before we go any further, I want to make another point clear. Okay, I'm not a guru. I'm just a plumber from the Bronx who makes money online, but I've been making it consistently, and I can show you how to do the same thing. Okay, I still have 2 kids in high school. That's my kid there on the pictures mound. He's a baseball player. Those are the pictures of recent vacations that we've taken, okay? I love to go fishing. I like going to the beach. I like having time with my family, man. That's what it's about for me, and that's what I've been doing. And it's absolutely duplicatable for you and your downline. The last thing I want to make clear is that there is some work involved, guys. If you believe all these claims of done for you, make millions online, it's all garbage, man. This isn't for you then, guys. Just you can close the video now, man. I wish you good luck. But however, if you do find something like that actually works, I'm all ears. All right, let's get back to work here, though, guys. When I put this system together, I wanted it to be something easy to use, and I wanted to make sure that the system appealed to the masses. When you show someone an opportunity online, 3 things go through their mind immediately. How much is it going to cost? Is it overpriced? And do people really need the product? And can I do this? Okay, those are the 3 things that they think about before they join anything. Let's go through them one at a time. Okay? This is running a little long. I'm not trying to make it a documentary here about the pyramids or anything, but it's important to understand what went into figuring this all out and how to get the results you want from the system. Let's look at those 3 questions people ask themselves quickly. How much is this going to cost? Okay, I looked at hundreds of thousands of online businesses over the years. I picked this one, the main business in the system, for a couple of reasons. Okay, it's ridiculously underpriced. When you see the price and compare it to other things like it, you're going to see the value that it brings to the marketplace. And it also has a powerful compensation plan that's unique, and it works, guys. This is something that people need. Okay, it's a product that every marketer online or off needs. Any brick and mortar business needs this. Most of the big retailers, all the big box stores are already using this. If you go to the pizzeria on your corner and you show them this, they're going to want to use it. All the businesses, the pizzerias in the neighborhood, if they're beating them, they're probably using this. Can I do this? Is it duplicatable? If you could follow simple directions, you could do this. It takes about an hour to get set up, and you're in business. Okay, I got all the capture pages made for you. I got follow-up emails. I got a website that you can use. You can rebrand to yourself. You put your picture in there. You just put your link to the program, and it's all you. Okay, the system's in place. It's the same one I use. All you have to do is plug in. I don't charge anything for the system. All you have to do is join the main program under me or one of my teammates. The other programs are in there. There's about 4 or 5 other little things. They're mostly traffic programs. Most of them are free to join, and you can upgrade when you start to make a little money or whenever you're ready. Okay, guys? So that's it for now, guys. If you want to make money online, you need a system, especially if you're just starting out. Okay, we also have a Facebook group that's members only, and I'm looking forward to see you in our Facebook group. Like I said, everything's here. It's all ready to go. All we need is you. All right, guys, so thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the Facebook group. I'm looking forward to working with you. If this video resonated with you at all, then give me a like, and if you want to subscribe, you can see the rest of my videos. All right, thanks, guys.